Welcome back. This is MoTech. I'm Noel Mwadende. In program number 28, we are going to learn on how to write a function with argument. As we can see, a guide from our book, a function named as void addition was created. Here it has parameter, then when called in the main function it have argument. So let us do that. Let's go to our compiler, create a new file, hash include iostream using namespace std void addition or function. Here it has two parameters, int x, int y, and then int sum. We declare sum which will be holding the total of these numbers. Then sum is equal to x plus y. Cout sum of two entered number is sum. So that is our function which have two parameters x and y, and when called in main function will have or will pass argument into main. Put a comment. C++ a function with arguments int sum, int a, int b. Prompt a user to enter the value by using keyboard. Enter two integer numbers. Here we go. Then cin read enter the value from user, then addition function we created there, it pass two argument a and b. After that we return 0. That is the end of our program. So this function named as void addition has two parameters, x and y, also have two arguments a and b. So let us see how we should save this program. This program should be saved as arguments function, as we see a guide from our book. So compile it and save it as arguments function. As you can see, our program is free of errors and warning. Compile it and run. So our program prompts us to enter two integers. So my integer is 2 and 2 enter. Okay, sum of two entered number is 4. So let's see the output from our book. Figure 42, figure 52 show our output, how the output should be looked like on console. If you can see these two output from our console and output from our book are similar. So we are right. That was to create a function which is passing argument. Thank you for watching. This is MoTech and I'm Noel Mwadende. And do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. Feedback is very important for improvement of our service. See you in the next video. Thank you.